Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today I'm going to show you how to add and play with friends in Clash Royale so you can enjoy the game together. Now let's get started. First, tap on the blue social icon at the top right of the main menu. This opens your friends list and social options. Next, tap the Invite Friend button. This will generate an invitation link that you can easily share. Share this link with your friends through any messaging app or social media platform. Once they accept, they'll appear in your friends list. To start playing together, select your friend from the list and tap Friendly Battle to challenge them. Alternatively, tap the three-line menu icon at the top right, then tap on Supercell ID to open your account settings. In Supercell ID settings, tap the Friends tab, then tap the plus icon at the bottom right. This shows your Supercell ID QR code. Share your QR code with friends so you can connect directly through Supercell ID. You can also tap on any friend to view their friends or mutual friends and add more players to your list. If you want your friends to see when you're online, stay in Supercell ID settings and tap the gear icon at the top left. Then enable the Show Online Status option so your friends know when you're available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.